Apex Instruments encourages you to use or perform any maintenance on this equipment safely. In this video, we may show an icon that conveys a safety hazard or risk that is associated with the operations performed. Be mindful of inherent hazards such as pinch points, sharp objects, or shock injuries.
Hey, I'm Joe Thompson with Apex Instruments Technical Service Group. I'm going to demonstrate to you how to use the auxiliary switch on your console. The XD502 has an auxiliary power switch that allows you to control auxiliary devices such as heaters and recirculation pumps. When this auxiliary switch is turned on, it allows you to power those devices. This power is controlled on the auxiliary leg of your Amphenol. When you turn the switch off, the power is cut from that auxiliary leg of the Amphenol. When the auxiliary switch is turned on the XD502 console and your Amphenol is connected to the hotbox, you now have power fed to your auxiliary port on the hotbox. When you turn off your auxiliary switch, the power is then killed. This auxiliary power outlet controls your auxiliary devices such as those heaters and recirculation pumps that you may need out in the field.